Now, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy today. I'm lucky I have a visitor, and this is my visitor. Here you see, this is my visitor. It's a very beautiful, one of the beautiful birds species that we have in Kenya. Now, I'm not a tour guide, and I'm not an expert in the study of birds. I think you understand. Uh, Study of birds is called ornithology. Ornithology is the scientific study of birds, and the person who studies birds scientifically is called ornithologist. Let me pronounce well: ornithologist. 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 The scientific study of birds, ornithology, and the expert ornithologist. Now, I found this bird just here. I wanted to record how I'm catching it, but it was flying here and there. It was not easy. So I was creating my content, but I had to change immediately to talk about this bird that I've lived growing. I've lived learning about it since when I was a toddler. I was adolescent. I'm a grown up right now. I've seen this bird and learned a lot about it too. In fact, when I was grazing cows at home, this bird was part and parcel of the community, the herding. So, since I'm not an ornithologist, I will not give exact scientific name of this bird. But what I know, it behaves like the cattle egret. Yeah, it behaves that way. Or it is a cowbird. What do I mean when I say it is a cowbird? It's a cowbird in the sense that when the cow grazes, this bird is there, right there. And why? When the cow grazes in tall grass, so as the cow moves and eats grass,